Everyone has a constraint, a gap in their agile framework. That limitation is often an inefficient workflow, resistance to change, or a rigid mindset. It can also be a blind spot in decision making. Either way, once identified, it becomes a leverage point you can refine to drive agility and efficiency. That's where Disciplined Agile Senior Scrum Master or the DASSM Preparatory Course comes in. An advanced hands-on program designed to equip you with the skills to manage high-performing teams, scale agility, and integrate disciplined agile principles into your leadership approach. So here's what you'll gain: a deep understanding of disciplined agile's principles and how to apply them at a senior leadership level. Advanced decision-making techniques to improve agility across teams and enterprise-wide initiatives. Real-world case studies that demonstrates how DA fosters flexibility, resilience, and continuous improvement. On day one, build a strong foundation in disciplined agile's mindsets, principles, and toolkit, understanding its flexibility beyond traditional Scrum. Learn to tailor agile approaches for various team structures and business needs. On day 2, dive into enterprise agility, adaptive leadership, and governance, applying DA to scaling, stakeholder alignment, and multi-team coordination through real-world case studies. Focus your energy where it matters most. Master disciplined agile to go beyond service-level agility. Build deep expertise, adapt with precision, and drive real impact. Find the key strategies that will sustain your success for the long run. Register now, DASSM today.